I'm excited. Let's go. Okay, we're here. We're at the toy fair.
Touch it. What happens? It makes a sound. Go ahead, touch another one. No, yeah, go there. Go ahead, horse. Yeah. All right, now tap the horse.
I just heard it.
You heard it? Ooh, what are you gonna pick? It's an accordion.
Are you ready?
Hello.
Want to hear it? Hear it?
Hero Inventor Kit. The premise here is you're inventing your own superhero identity and superhero power. So it comes with 9 bits, and then our hero gear and our customizable stickers. So here kids can decorate the gauntlet. The idea is that you snap the bits together and you control them through motion or through light. And there's sound effects, and there are light effects as well. So this is our LED matrix. It has different preloaded modes, and then you can also upload custom images. So this is a custom image. So the idea with this is that as they kind of figure out their own superhero power and identity, they can draw an icon for themselves and then display it on the LED matrix. So as they're running around and being a superhero, they can display their power or their icon. We make sure that we have the same number of male and female Avengers, so that girls are equally inspired. We're all about that. We tell kids to find materials around the house. This is an egg carton, so we painted it and we made it into a panther. So you can put it on top of the gauntlet and then put it into the mouth. So then when you use it and it lights up, it can fire. When you move, it makes a sound and then it triggers the light. So then when you press this, it'll show up there. Press it? Yeah, there you go.
Yeah. So we have the base inventor kit where kids invent inventions that can help solve problems in their community and can help solve problems in the environment. So we have this bat invention from that kit. The kid in our community invented this, and as it hits against something, like an object in front of them, it buzzes to let them know. So, you want to try? You can try it. Here, put your hand in there. Put it in front of something.
Beep. Going on the donkey, you can't see. I'll send it back.
Exactly. When you can't see something in front of you.
What is this do?
This one is a guitar, so this one is part of the electronic music inventor kit. You can play like a guitar. So the keyboard is one way of doing it. We can also use an accelerometer, which measures the movement. If we take the keyboard out and we put the accelerometer bit in here instead, now when I move the guitar, it makes sound. So you can try moving it now. And then a Space Rover Inventor Kit, where you can hook it up to the app and drive the Rover around. There are other attachments like a scooper and a hammer for them to go on missions and explore their new planet that their Rover's on.
It's the power of electricity, magic, or well, really the science of electricity. And yeah, it's like a little fun little birthday cake, and look, it lights up on your book bag, or you can put it on your case or your jean jacket. And look, you see here, it's got a little switch, and you can, it lights up. Yeah, which is so cool. Okay, but you can take the plastic off and you can then put them on.
Let's pick him up.
And this is so much cake. It is so good.
I'll be back.
Do you like ping pong? That's my ping pong. We touch this. We go to Google's roll.
Do you want to find someone to talk to? Let's look for someone. The other side, maybe? Bubo is a smart companion for kids. Kids can interact with the Bubo in real time, ask different questions like, why is the sky blue? Or can Superman beat Batman? And Bubo can also play different games with kids, interactive activities, physical games that get them up and moving. And we have a lot of songs, stories, and other engaging content that really stimulates kids' curiosity. And it's like they have a friend that can basically go along with them. Bubo is retailing for $149 on Amazon and the Bubo website.
Yeah, you can put any colors that you want if you want to try a few colors. Try to figure out how did we get that? I wonder if you could make that. You're going to stick it in the water and see what happens.
Exactly.
Use this one.
Yeah, we have 4 kids actually.
Kind of like that. There we go. Now stick it on there. And you're going to see what happens. We make science kits for curious and creative Creative Girls. Our company's based in Portland, Oregon, and founded by 2 scientists and moms. We started Yellowscope because we think girls deserve better in the toy aisle. Sadly, a lot of girls get the impression that science is not for them, that it's more of a guy thing. If you look at some of the physics and chemistry kits that are on the market, you can see that they're targeted to boys and they tend to be housed in the boy section of the toy store. And many of the girls' science kits are spa beauty products, which are super fun to play with, but pardon me. Oh! Can I stop and see? So what you did is you unmixed them. You've mixed things before. This is a technique that you unmixed or you separated those out. This is the brown after it's been left for like an hour.
Oh, they use the brown?
You can see what happens if you leave that in longer. See what you find out.
Okay.
Here's an extra pin. Scientist at work, I needed to work with her on that. These are our products. We actually have 3 products on the market. The first is our foundation chemistry kit, beakers and bubbles. It comes with high quality lab equipment, art supplies, tons of reagents to do all the experiments multiple times. It also comes with this beautiful lab notebook. It's an instruction manual, a sketch pad, a doodle pad. Our second kit is acid basis pH chemistry kit. They get in their kit this red cabbage powder. It's dehydrated, so you add water to it. When you buy a red cabbage at the store, the juice from the red cabbage is a natural acid-base indicator. I also like to describe this kit as like a maker kit because we have the supplies for girls to make their own pH paper. It uses a technique called paper chromatography. They can separate out colors in leaves and flowers, art supplies, and food coloring and candies.
We are activity kits, and we've been doing that for over 40 years. We do everything from arts and crafts to fully dedicated STEM books, like our Maker Lab line. And then we also have a whole bunch of different Lego products that we're here to promote because, you know, STEM has such a wide breadth of activities and different things you can do and different ways to learn. And so we kind of wanted to show that we're sort of doing that with all of the different products we put out. Is we want to try to capture as many different types of learners as we can through, you know, different lines and different products that we kind of hit everyone's interests. Yeah, this was actually a Toy of the Year finalist for us last year. Thank you. So Lego actually came to us and they were like, hey, there are a lot of unofficial stop motion books out there using our minifigs. Can you guys just make the official one? Because I know you'll do it really well. It gives you not only like how to set up a scene and like, you know, how to get it moving, but, and you know, you get all of these different backdrops and you get like a little example storyboard. So you're really learning how to be a video creator and everything that it takes to make a whole video.
How much does it retail for?
$24.99. So actually all of our Klutz kits are under $25, which is like a really happy point for me because we're that perfect gift. Like we're just at the right price point.
voice recognition technology that adds background music, sound effects, and in some cases character voices to stories as you, the parent, read them aloud. So it's really honoring that experience of reading with your child on your lap with a book in front of you, but it adds a little bit of magic to the experience. So as you read things aloud, you get to hear fun, extra auditory things in the background.
Potter Wands kit. Do all of these step-by-step coding challenges, and it'll teach you all of the basics of motion control and coding. And so for this one, for example, I can flick my wand up, and I can make my beans grow large. I can flick my wand down and get them to a smaller size. And it rumbles, so you can code the rumble pack inside your wand. You can code different colors and sounds and music. So it's a really cool interactive way to learn coding, and if you're a Harry Potter fan, this is perfect for you. Yeah, it works via Bluetooth, so you can use it with your tablets or you can use it on a computer, whether it's Windows or Mac. It has a gyroscope, an accelerometer, magnetometer, so it senses your movements and it tracks it on the screen. It's a tablet that you've built completely on your own, so all of the components are included in your kit, and then using this storyboard, you learn about all of the components and you learn about how they work together to make your tablet work. And then once you're done building it, you would use Kano OS to learn all of the coding challenges. You can use it just as you would a normal laptop or a tablet. You can scroll through and have apps like Wikipedia, you can have your Google Maps, your Google Drive, you can hack Minecraft, for example, and then you can also follow on story mode and learn and build your own games that way. So flick your wand up, there you go.
I'll show you it. I'll probably show it that way. Right. So, t-shirt lets you see inside the human body. So, respiratory system, you can see the lungs. Then you can go into inside your lungs. So it's a free app that comes with a t-shirt. T-shirt's $29.95. Lets you learn about the body in a way that is absolutely impossible any other way.
Put them together. We have photo shoots with employees and in the area.
Toys are their first and most important introduction to